Hello again everyone. For this video I want to share a short message or a short motivational quotes of life. So here we go. Everything that happen in life has a reason. Sometimes it's painful, sometimes it's hard, but it always brings lesson. Change for the better. So don't be afraid of challenges because we'll give you today a strength courage for tomorrow. Remember, every tears and struggle carries with it new hope and a stronger version of you. So that's our motivational quotes for today's video. So ayan, nandito tayo sa park na to. This park is between Pancrati and Evangelismos. So ayan ang park na to. Napakaganda guys, napakalinis at ang daming mga taong naglalakad at nagsisiupuan, pero at this side ko lang kinuhanan. Ipinakita ko lang para naman ay mabago naman ang ating nakikita dito. So ayan guys, ang daming mga puno at green siya talaga. So ayan, thanks for watching everyone. At sana sa mabuti kayong kalagayan and happy weekend. God bless everyone. See you again next time.